Daniel from Bloomcorp here. www.bloomcorp.com and www.youtube.com/bloomcorp. Now we're going to be doing a quick unboxing of the Porsche Design desktop drive, the P9231, and it's a 2TB drive. It's made by LaCie and it's designed for Mac. I went into the Apple Mac store today and I just thought I may as well get one for all the abundance of movies and music that I have. Now, as you can see, this specific one has got up to 240 hours worth of HD. Now, I believe this says 240 hours. I reckon I'm going to get more close to about 300 to 400, as it depends on how long the movies are. Most of my movies are going to be about an hour to an hour and a half, as opposed to 2 hours that I believe this is probably made upon. The specifications for the device are USB 2.0. Now, the interface transfer rates in USB 2.0 up to 480 megabytes per second. The dimensions of the device are 120 by 38 by 190 millimeters, which equates to 4.7 by 1.5 by 7.5 inches. Now, if we just move this a further bit down, the weight of the device is 37 ounces, which is roughly 1 kilogram, and it is Time Machine compatible. Now, you can use this for Windows. It uses Windows XP, Windows Vista, and Windows 7, and it's Mac OS X 10.5, 10.6 and later, and it requires 600 megabytes recommended space on your drive. Now, it's, as I've said earlier on, it is the Porsche Design one. So we're just going to zoom out there, zoom in again, and we'll go down this list of features here. The box contains obviously the LaCie Porsche Design P9231. It's got the USB 2.0 cable inside, the external power supply. Unfortunately, the larger ones need an external power supply these days. It's a bit unfortunate. You've got a quick install guide. Now, this just says here it's in English, French, Italian, Dutch, Spanish, Netherlands, Portuguese. I believe that's probably Swedish, German, I'm going to say Japanese, and all the rest of them. Now, it also has complete software suite, which is LaCie's private public backup assistant, eco mode, and voila. Forgive me if I'm pronouncing those wrong. Now, just to give you a size comparison, on the back it shows you the LaCie next to the keyboard and the iMac. I myself have an iMac. It's right next to me right now. It does have big writing there saying Time Machine compatible, as you can see there. And also it says that it is an aluminium and 5mm thickness wise. Now, personally, I bought this just due to the design, the features, and how nice it looks. Porsche Design made it. What else can you really say? Moving everything out of the way now, we're going to try and get into this. Just get my Leatherman out to try and slice that without doing the box too much damage. I hope that's gone through. Just a quick secondary slice just to make sure. Now, this should open, but I haven't got no nails. It's going to open perfectly fine. Brilliant. Now, let's do a box unveiling. You've got nothing really, so let's just open it. As delicate manner possible. I'm going to guess it opens this way around. Just put the box aside there. Get us into centralised focus, and we're there. Now we're going to open up this bad boy. Firstly, we've got the power supply. Nothing too fancy. The power supply is 100 to 240 volts. You've also got a quick install guide. General, just open, lots of languages, basically a brief instructions there, just how to do it. Moving on, we're going to go into this section here. We've got all of the possible power adapters you would need. For the UK, I'm going to need to use this one. However, you look like you've got the European, the American, and probably the Australian, I'm going to imagine there. You've got the USB cable there, the 2.0 to, I would imagine that's to the LaCie, or LaCie. Honestly, I don't know how this is meant to be pronounced, but I've always heard it LaCie. I might be pronouncing it incorrectly again. I'm going to apologise for pronouncing it incorrectly. Get that box out of the way. Let's get into the real device. We've got the Porsche Design logo just up there. We've got a little point here, which I would imagine goes green by the looks on the box. On the side profile here, it's just a nice little LaCie. You've got some writing there, I don't know if you can pick that up, and it's just smooth black really. You've got the points, the ports that you plug it in, obviously the USB to this port here, which I can't quite recall. You've got the power port and you've got the on port. Again, it's just a smooth black part here and the nice little part there. Now the back's just got the grilled effect, obviously, so it doesn't overheat in the part number. Honestly, I'm going to get this device up and running. I'm going to give you a review within the next 2 weeks. I can't see myself having any problems with the device. I might get the back rail just so I can stick it in the back of my iMac. Just check the details. That was a USB 2.0 to the USB port in the side of the LaCie there. Obviously with the 480 megabytes per second transfer speed, I'm going to be looking forward to getting this bad boy up. Just to give you a quick reminder, it does have the automatic backup, which has obviously the time capsule idea to it. You can work it on the Windows and you can also work it on Mac. It's 2 TB this one. The code is P9231. It cost me £129.99 from the Apple shop, which is apple.com/UK for all of the UK people out there. Also, it does say it's got password protection, automatic backup, 77% energy saving and secure online storage. Just a reminder that is 5mm thick on that case in there. And this was Daniel from bloomcorp.com or www.youtube.com/bloomcorp. Also follow me on Twitter at Dan Muntstar and follow the website at bloomcorp on Twitter. And this was really just to give you a quick unboxing of the Porsche Design LaCie or LaCie 2 TB external hard drive. Don't forget to comment, rate and subscribe to the channel. We will be having many unboxings. Also check past our old videos. We have LG Optimus 3D phone. We've got some other cool devices coming onto the website soon and also onto YouTube. So just keep to check that out. But thank you for watching and I'll speak to you later.